The Mumbai Police Commissioner is currently speaking and he's hit out at the Bihar Police, saying they have no jurisdiction to investigate and that the Mumbai Police is currently seeking legal opinion. Listen in to what the top cop is currently saying.
डेथ का केस, उस दिन एक जगह मैंने ऐसा भी आरोप पड़ा था कि हमने फ्लैट को सील नहीं किया। 14 तारीख को फ्लैट सील किया गया था, वहां से पूरा पंचनामा किया गया था। 15 तारीख को फॉरेंसिक एक्सपर्ट्स की टीम वहां पे बुलाई गई थी, डॉक्टर्स की टीम कूपर हॉस्पिटल से विजिट की, पूरी एविडेंस गैदर की गई थी। उसके बाद ही उस फ्लैट की अनसीलिंग की गई थी। जब तक कि पूरा एविडेंस कलेक्ट नहीं कर लिया गया था, पूरे अपार्टमेंट को वहां पे सील रखा गया।
So there is one more thing which has been making rounds about there was a party at Sushant's house on 13th of June. The CCTV cameras were off. Then 5 SIM cards. Sushant kept changing his number. Some 5 SIM cards he had changed in last few days. Anything of that sort which has come forward to you that there was a party on 13th June. CCTV cameras were off.
13-14 जून का CCTV फुटेज हमारे पास अवेलेबल है, एग्जामिन किया है। हमें किसी पार्टी की कोई भी एविडेंस 13 तारीख की वहाँ पे नहीं मिली है।
And what about the SIM cards and all that?
वो टेक्निकल रिकॉर्ड्स पूरा फॉरेंसिक्स की मदद से एग्जामिन किया जा रहा है। हमारे क्लोन कॉपी करके भी उसको एग्जामिन कर रहे हैं। मैसेजेस हमारे पास अवेलेबल हैं, एग्जामिन किया जा रहा है।
Was he also disturbed because his name was being linked to दिशा सालियन? ऐसा कुछ आपके सामने आया?
ऐसा हमारे स्टेटमेंट्स में आया है कि जब उनका नाम दिशा सालियन के साथ जोड़ा गया तो उससे बहुत इमोशनली डिस्टर्ब हो गए थे। और जितना हमने अभी तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया है उसमें ऐसा मालूम पड़ा है कि वो दिशा सालियन, जो कि एक कॉर्नर स्टोर नाम की मैनेजमेंट कंपनी के लिए काम करती थी, उनकी मुलाकात सिर्फ सुशांत सिंह जी से सिर्फ एक ही बार हुई थी। एंड इनफैक्ट उन्होंने अपने एक एडवोकेट को मैसेज करके पूछा था कि दिशा सालियन है कौन। तो अननेसेसरीली कुछ ये जो कुछ सोशल मीडिया में इस प्रकार का एक कैंपेन चलाया गया था उनको दिशा सालियन से लिंक करने का, जिसकी वजह से वो कुछ इमोशनली डिस्टर्ब हो गए थे।
So is it true that a day before Sushant Singh died due after committing suicide, he was continuously searching for his name on how he was being projected online?
So सोशल मीडिया वो अक्सर देखा करते थे और सोशल मीडिया में जो हमने एग्जामिन किया है वो बार बार अपना नाम देखते थे, उनके बारे में क्या लिखा जा रहा है गूगल सर्च में, स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया, बाइपोलर डिसऑर्डर, पेनलेस डेथ, इस प्रकार की चीजें वो बार बार सर्च कर रहे थे।
Okay sir, do you have any suspect and why do you think that the family, despite requests from Mumbai police, did not give any statement to you rather than chose to register a case in Bihar?
हमको फैमिली ने स्टेटमेंट्स दी हैं। मैंने आपको पहले बताया, उनके पिताजी श्री कृष्ण कुमार सिंह ने भी स्टेटमेंट दी, परिवार के बाकी सदस्यों ने भी हमको स्टेटमेंट दी है। जब हमने उसके बाद बुलाया स्टेटमेंट के लिए वो नहीं आए हैं और फिर भी हम चाहेंगे कि वो आए, उनको जो भी कुछ आगे कहना है हमसे शेयर करें एंड वी विल फेयरली एंड प्रोफेशनली इन्वेस्टिगेट एनी एलिगेशन व्हिच मे कम। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
The family members are cooperating in this case.
दे रिकॉर्डेड स्टेटमेंट्स राइट इन द बिगिनिंग, बट उसके बाद से हमारे को वो अप्रोच नहीं हो पाए। लेकिन कुछ फैमिली मेम्बर्स, उनके पिता, उनके जीजा और उनकी बहन हमारे जॉइंट कमिश्नर और हमारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर से भी आके मिले थे। उन्होंने मदद मांगी थी कि उनकी प्रॉपर्टी जो पौना में जहाँ कुछ किराए से रहते थे, एक फार्म हाउस लेके या घर से भी जो उसको जाके वो देखना चाहते थे, उनके सामान वगैरह चेक करना चाहते थे। हमारे एसीपी भी उनके साथ गए थे, हमने पूरा सहकार दिया था। उस समय भी उन्होंने कुछ इसके बारे में सस्पिशन व्यक्त नहीं किया था।
Are you seeing any family rivalry aspect in this case?
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
सर
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
पटना पुलिस एलिगेशन लगा रही है कि बिहार मुंबई पुलिस कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रही है।
हो गया, उसका जवाब दे दिया होगा, पहले दे दिया।
Thank you, sir.
श्री सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की जो एक एक्सीडेंटल डेथ का केस रिकॉर्ड किया गया था बांद्रा पुलिस स्टेशन में 14 जून को। जब भी कहीं सुसाइड टाइप का कोई इंसिडेंट रिपोर्ट होता है उसमें CRPC 174 के हिसाब से पुलिस पहले ADR दाखिल करती है, फिर उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन करती है एज प्रोवाइडेड इन CRPC। सो इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो अभी तक किया गया है उसमें बहुत ही डिटेल इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया गया है। सो फार अब 56 स्टेटमेंट्स हैव बीन रिकॉर्डेड, एक्सपर्ट्स हैव बीन कंसल्टेड, फॉरेंसिक एक्सपर्ट्स, डॉक्टर्स की टीम को भी कंसल्ट किया गया है एंड पूरा डिटेल्ड इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया गया है। इट इज स्टिल एन ऑनगोइंग इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी हम किसी निष्कर्ष पर नहीं पहुंचे हैं एंड सीआरपीसी के हिसाब से हमारा इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है एंड जब भी इस प्रकार का इन्वेस्टिगेशन अननेचुरल डेथ में किया जाता है वो दो प्रकार के उसके नतीजे निकल सकते हैं, या तो इट इज़ क्लोज्ड एज एन सुसाइडल केस और अननेचुरल एज एक्सीडेंटल डेथ केस, और दूसरा होता है कि अगर कुछ क्रिमिनलिटी उसमें दिखाई देती है तो देन वी कन्वर्ट इट टू क्राइम अंडर आईपीसी एंड इट इज इन्वेस्टिगेटेड अकॉर्डिंगली।
सर एक बहुत जबरदस्त थियरी ये चल रही है कि दिशा सालियन की जो आत्महत्या हुई थी या डेथ हुई थी 8-9 जून को, उससे इस पूरे केस को जोड़ा जा रहा है कहीं ना कहीं। तो क्या पुलिस को किसी इन्वेस्टिगेशन में ये चीज मिली है? दूसरा ये भी आरोप बार बार लगाया गया कि दिशा सालियन की फाइल्स डिलीट हो गई है, बिहार पुलिस की तरफ से बार बार ये कहा गया। तो ये सारी चीज को लेकर मुंबई पुलिस का क्या कहना है?
मालवनी पुलिस स्टेशन में 8 और 9 जून की रात को करीब 3 बजे के बाद एक रिपोर्ट आई थी कि शताब्दी हॉस्पिटल है वहाँ पे मिस दिशा सालियन की बॉडी को लाया गया था, जिसे ऑन अराइवल डेड डिक्लेयर किया गया था। पुलिस ने वहाँ जाके इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया था। ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन पूरा अगेन 174 सीआरपीसी के हिसाब से मालवनी पुलिस स्टेशन कर रही है। जो अभी तक तथ्य सामने आए हैं उसमें ऐसा सामने आया कि जो उस दिन, बल्कि पिछले कुछ दिनों से 8 तारीख से पहले से मिस दिशा सालियन अपने फियांसी श्री रोहन रॉय के घर पर थी, रीजेंट गैलेक्सी नाम की बिल्डिंग में, और उस रात को 8 की रात को उनके 4 और फ्रेंड्स वहां पे, दीप अजमेरा, श्री इंद्रनील वैद्या, हिमांशु एंड रेशा पड़वल नाम के 4 उनके फ्रेंड्स और मौजूद थे। और हमने सीसीटीवी फुटेज भी एग्जामिन किया है, उस बिल्डिंग का सीसीटीवी फुटेज भी हमारे पास है। इसके अलावा उस बिल्डिंग में और कोई नहीं आया। घर में 6 लोग थे जब रात के समय ये घटना हुई कि मिस दिशा सालियन को बिल्डिंग से खिड़की से नीचे गिरा हुआ पाया गया, जिसकी वजह से उनकी मौत हुई। लोगों के बयान लिए गए हैं, उनके पेरेंट्स के बयान लिए गए हैं, और सभी के बयान में यह आया है कि अभी तक इसके बारे में कुछ भी सस्पिशियस नहीं पाया गया है। जो 5 लोग फ्लैट में उनके साथ मौजूद थे उनके बयान में भी ऐसा आया है, और जो उनके पेरेंट्स थे उनका भी बयान लिया गया, उसमें भी यही आया है कि उनकी डेथ में कुछ सस्पिशियस नहीं था।
So that is the press conference, the briefing by the Mumbai top cop, Parambir Singh, where in fact he's responded to all the allegations of non-cooperation by the Mumbai police and also of stopping the Bihar police probe. Let me take this across to Pankaj Upadhyay for more details. Pankaj, just break down for us what the defense at this point is of the Mumbai police.
Akshita, a lot of what the Mumbai top cop has said is already in public domain. But what happens now is that now that Mumbai top cop has come on record to say the things, it gives it a concrete base. Now what has happened here is, most importantly to be noted, is that Mumbai top cop says that the investigation is still on. They are still analyzing the case, thereby meaning that the investigation is still not complete. They haven't come to any conclusions and that they will not let this case go from under their jurisdiction, as has been mentioned by various government ministers as well. Now this is very significant because a lot of political pressure was being put on the Mumbai police as well. And now the most important aspect, the theory which was floating from a lot of days about the connection of the extreme step that had been taken by the late actor with the episode with Disha Salian. Now yesterday itself we had told the viewers that the Mumbai police had completely rubbished the theory and had said there is absolutely no connection between the two cases, and even the family members had gone on to the extent of saying that they do not want to register any complaint, they do not suspect anyone. On the question that Mumbai police was not supporting the Bihar police in this very matter, there were many rumors doing the rounds, to which Mumbai police has also clarified that they will not be believing in rumors, the people themselves should not believe in rumors, and that the case files are on record, they are safe and they are intact as well. So this one big theory which had been doing the rounds for a long time, which had led to a lot of rumor mongering in the social media as well. This particular aspect has now been completely done away with. But more importantly, Mumbai Top Cop saying that the investigation is still on. They have taken the statements of more than 50 people, and in the days to come, more analysis will go ahead.
All right, let me take this across to Divyesh Singh. He was at that press briefing by the Mumbai Police Commissioner. Divyesh, there was a particular question asked about the Bihar Police's role in this investigation, to which, in fact, the Commissioner has maintained that ideally the Bihar Police should have transferred the FIR to the Mumbai Police to ensure that the investigation happened within the jurisdiction of the Mumbai cops.
Yes, Akshita, Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh speaking to India Today said that usually as per procedure, the FIR, if at all it was registered in Patna, Bihar, it should have been transferred as a zero FIR to Mumbai Police, because the jurisdiction of the scene of crime, the local court and the area where the crime happened or the incident happened falls under jurisdiction of Mumbai Police. So by the usual procedure or the standard procedure, the case should have been transferred through a zero FIR to Mumbai for them to investigate, because the incident has happened in the jurisdiction of Mumbai Police under the jurisdiction of Bandra Police Station. Akshita?
Divyesh, as far as the Mumbai Police probe is concerned, going by what the Mumbai Police Commissioner has said, it seems that they're ruling out any question of foul play or anything of that sort to really be investigated. Is that correct?
See, as of now, let me tell you, Akshita, Mumbai Police has recorded statements of 56 persons. They've analyzed the details, the scene of crime with the help of forensic experts. But as of now, there's been no suspicion or foul play that has been found. But if at all the family had any allegations, they've been contacting the family, they've been contacting the sisters to come and record their statements. In fact, the brother-in-law, Mr. O.P. Singh, was also contacted and asked to give his statement to Mumbai Police, but they till date haven't recorded their statements with Mumbai Police. They once recorded their statements on June 16th, but then in their signed statements, they have not made any allegations, including Mr. K.K. Singh, father of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. In that statement that was recorded on June 16th, he never said that he had any kind of suspicion of foul play or any allegations against anyone were not leveled in the statement that was recorded on June 16. And despite that, the Mumbai Police had been calling the sisters Meetu Singh, Priyanka Singh, the brother-in-law Mr. O.P. Singh, who himself is a police officer, were being called and asked to record their statements, but they did not turn up.
But is the Mumbai Police, the indication so far, Divyesh, is it that the Mumbai Police are willing to probe what the family's allegations are with regards to Riya Chakrabarti's role and the abetment to suicide charge? Have the Mumbai Police expressed willingness to probe that?
Yes, Akshita, the Mumbai Police Commissioner on record speaking to India Today has said and confirmed this, that if the family has any allegations or had any allegations, they should have approached us. They can come to us, they can record their statements, and the probe is still on. The case is still on and the probe is being continued. If the family has any allegations or any suspicion against any person, they can come and record their statements, and on basis of that, investigation can be started, or the current investigation that is on the particular angle that the family suspects could also be probed.
Okay, so this is what the Mumbai Police are maintaining. So, Divyesh, the family members of Sushant Singh Rajput have said time and again that the Mumbai Police wasn't helping them out, that they reached out to them in February also for this particular investigation to happen, but that wasn't followed. The Mumbai Police today have also said have given details really about questions with regards to the CCTV footage. What exactly have they stated on that front? Have they been able to access all footage from the building? Divyesh, can you hear me? I think we've lost that connection with Divyesh.
Yes,
we'll go back to
Parambir
him.
Singh,
All right, Divyesh, apologies.
India Today exclusively has said that all the possible angles are being probed. Riya Chakrabarti's angle was also being probed on why she left home or left Sushant's residence on 8th of June. She was questioned regarding that, and she's told police in her statement that she was herself depressed and she was not mentally fit, and that is why she left on 8th of June. Also, the statements reveal that Riya Chakrabarti and the family members of Sushant Singh Rajput had been in a dispute earlier also, so that angle was also being probed, but the sisters who were contacted after that by Mumbai police did not turn up and record their statements, and that is why Mumbai police had been waiting to, remember, India Today had also done stories that Meetu Singh has been contacted, she is being asked to come and re-record her statement, give a detailed statement, but no one turned up, and then an FIR was registered in Patna. Akshita?
All right, Divyesh, thank you for joining us with all those details of what the Mumbai Police Commissioners had to say. A detailed press briefing where he's spoken on not just the Bihar Police's FIR, but also about how the Mumbai Police has been investigating this case so far.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.